Welcome everyone to this New York Open with Eivindfx. Hope you are in massive profits today again. Today it is 21st of October 2021, still not 2022. We are going to go through some dollar, yens, gold, silver, whatever you feel like we need to go through, and I will be here to help you out, finding some good entries, finding not so good entries, but then instead having good stop losses. Whatever I'm going to say today is only for educational purposes, not financial advice, and it's only my personal opinion. So trading forex, equities, crypto for that matter, any other financial asset is dangerous and you can lose your whole account. Cheers, mate. So other than that, I hope that you are happy. I hope that you have slept well so that today we can go into the deep material of this trading day. The other thing is what is happening in the market since yesterday, since we were live yesterday. Dollar has bottomed out ish, somehow at least. So is that a danger? Is that an opportunity? Let's go and check it out. If you remember who I am, I have been on Trader Nick the past days. So if you see this beautiful face, wondering why am I not laughing today, I will start soon. Don't worry, I just want to find some what do you call it? Some videos for you. That was what I wanted to find. So if you're wondering how to find my pivot points, how to find my strategy, I have them ready, available already. So yeah, sure, have fun. The other thing that we also need to discuss today is what if yen pairs turns around and start going bearish? Is there any chances of that? Well, I believe so actually. So I think that is a very valid theory at least, that we might go lower. So are you able, are you willing, are you ready for yen pairs to fall, or are you still looking for this one to go higher? That is kind of what I'm looking for at the moment. And the other one that I also want to look forward to today is higher highs and higher lows. James says, hello James. What is going on, mate? Netgas, we can do Netgas, we can do Euro New Zealand, sorry, I will surely do so in a quick. The other one that I also want to mention here is we have some potential reversals coming out. So, yeah, just saying, for free, for Discord, there we are. That's what I wanted to do. Pin it. So, where are we right now? We are on Euro New Zealand, since nobody else said anything about it. We have a bottom, potentially so far, a small bottom there, not really big bottom, but something bottomed out there. The next thing is that we might then have a higher high, higher low situation. You, in 1 hour, has the first bottom. This can still do that, and before it goes higher. So any break of this high here at 162.50 on Euro New Zealand is probably where you will look for a buy to continue to the upside. Hello, Peter. No, sorry, that was wrong. Peter. Probably the worst one you've heard today, but there we go, mate. What have I said on Netgas? Netgas, there is your buy for today. Hello, SlyFX. Very much welcome to the stream as well. So, I think this is the bottom I am expecting on Netgas, and I have sent out a push notification for that trade setup there to those who want to trade natural gas. It's only for specific few people. Today I was also trying to make myself a bit more mentally stable, not mentally stable, sorry, a bit more educated on the stock market. So I was on Holberg Fund free webinar. There was a guy there from the UK, an American company, talking about stock markets. And the key takeaways from that talk and that webinar there is, if you're waiting for a dip, you will wait forever. And if you are not trading in higher high situations like bullish markets on the stock market making higher highs, you are definitely going to lose out forever. And the other one is that over a 10-year period, it is very difficult to lose money if you just never take that loss. Okay? Even if you bought the top of 2008, 2007 crisis, even if you bought the top of the coronavirus, you still made money. And as long as the stock market as long as there is employment going higher, the stock market tends to go higher. That's always tendencies and all those things. Okay, euro is getting stronger overall. Hello, mate, matey. Hello, matey. Blue Square says hello, Eivind. Hello, everyone. Today, I don't know if I'm a bit low, but there is a reason why I'm a bit, not so high. One, Trader Nick was in Iceland, and he posted a video today, and he says that he proposed. He's engaged. Very, very congratulations. And yes, what did I say in the comment section? Why am I crying? And yes, I am the only one liking my own comment. I do that. That is what I do. Anyways. So that is that. But yeah, congratulations, Nick. I am absolutely super duper happy for you. Couldn't have been a greater trip than that. And I did the same thing. Cheers, mate. And yes, today I'm a bit more posh in my choice of coffee cup. Today we have a teacup. Yes. Nice, yes. Where's the afternoon tea, lady? So there we go. Getting ready for some gold buys. All right, yeah. That's an interesting data chaser. That's an interesting view. Let me go through dollar then. But yeah, so I've cried a bit over this beautiful proposal of Nick. I am so happy for him. I just wish I could have done it myself because it is absolutely fantastic feeling. Yes, I'm married, and I should probably just wind back. How many years ago is it now? Jeez, when did I propose? 2014? It is 7 years ago. Gee. Yeah, I can find a photo for you guys. It is absolutely fantastic, emotional, and it's just a beautiful feeling. It's just a beautiful time. Anyways, and I'm still married to the same person. Don't worry. DXY is kind of a range, kind of bearish range. Still holding the bearish pressure, not really having a higher high above 93.88 that we mentioned yesterday in the live that I had yesterday evening. So today we are okay, cool. We are just somewhere in between. If you go down to lower time frames like 5 minutes, you have a small bullish reversal here, but that's just 5 minutes. So boom. That was when I proposed, mate. We've been together since 2012, so that's 9 years. So there we go. Hello, Boden. Thank you very much for subscribing. I'm sorry I didn't mention that. I saw that, but I'm sorry. Very much welcome to the family. All right. There it is. Congratulations straight. So if you are bullish on Aussie, there is another small bullish trend reversal there on the 5 minutes chart. On the 1 minute chart, we have a price coming down to the 55 on the 1 hour suggests, and as you can see in the past, it doesn't happen, but it suggests a reversal. If it happens on the 4 hour, it definitely suggests a reversal, and that is all the way down to 74.20. That is a 70 pip drop. Hasn't happened yet. So yeah, so maybe there's a double top, or we're just going to continue higher. Because it's a trend. We're not going to force that one. So currently we are seeing the price crunch in the commodities market. We are seeing higher prices. And another thought that came from this guy in this live webinar, he also said that if we are having these green waves of restrictions on oil production, is that going to increase oil price or lower price? That is going to increase the price, because if we have Joe Biden going to reduce the amount of possibilities, the amount of rigs, and we're actually very low on rigs at the moment. If that is going to make reduce the amount of permits, amount of rigs, amount of supply going into the market, well, that is going to send the oil higher. Okay, just remember that, and believe it or not, that is going to benefit us, and it's going to benefit the oil companies, the ones they're trying to kill. But anyways, there we are. So Bodkin says Aussie dollar must fall. The Aussie dollar doesn't need to do absolutely anything. It can actually go higher from here. The reason why it doesn't need to fall here, well, is recharging and all those things, is because we do not have a confirmed lower low. We have a low. We don't have a confirmed lower low. Even that can make it go higher again. So right now, even though we want to trade this reversal, I see the top, I see the date, I see everything there. I need confirmation. I can't sell it. Well, if I'm going to sell it and it makes a higher high, do I look like a fool? I look like a fool. Hello, mentor. How are you doing today? Fantastic. All right. Good. So the other thing that we also need to mention here is this a buy price? Yeah, I think it is going to be a good buy price there. It's a bit low. Yeah, it's a bit low, but still it works. It gives you the opportunity to take it higher. And then if this one falls, straightforward, get out and maybe prepare for the fall. But we cannot. You can't be fearful of a bird strike when you're out flying an aircraft unless you have a bird strike and then you have to kill off your engine. You cannot kill off your engine just because you fear a bird strike. You actually have to have it confirmed, okay? All right. One more question, sirs. Last Friday, gold seen $25 fall. You seem to happen this week. That was because of CPI. The other one was NFP. And the third one might be PMI tomorrow. There's a ton of news tomorrow on PMI. Maybe. I won't say that is going to happen. I don't think PMI is strong enough. And by the way, the gold movements lately for the past 2 weeks has been nothing else than having afternoon tea. Has been... Yes. Where's my sandwiches and my nice tea cake? Has been nothing else than manipulation. I'm going to call it out every single day. Okay. News in 15 minutes may move the dollar. I don't know what you are seeing. I checked the news calendar yesterday. I didn't think it was any importance. I haven't really checked it today, but we can check it. That's always nice. Ciao. Initial jobless is as low. Well, this should be actually low impact, by the way. Jobless is Manufacturing survey from Philadelphia Fed. I haven't remembered that one to be a big mover. Hello, Harold. Congrats, Nick. Yeah, hello, everyone. Yeah, welcome, Harold. Happy to have you here in the middle of the day, in the middle of the picking up and delivering kids to the public schools. I was about to say something bad. Anyways, Aussie dollar can fall. That is kind of your theory there. EURUSD has maybe made a double top. Okay, maybe. Yesterday was a great fall. It was a great sell price. Today, not so much. And I don't know what they're preparing here. It's definitely not bearish so far because we haven't broken below this low. And we haven't broken below below that low. So for me to be like, I want to sell this every single day, let's make money, I don't see that yet. So I need confirmation on that sell. Other than that, check away all my indicators. I'm going to take it out here. And we have a very strong resistance here. It hasn't been broken yet. So what is that? Is that a 318, 21? It's a 618. It's a 618 retracement. I just apparently don't remember how to do that thing. Reverse. There we go. Yeah, it's a 318 reversal. Okay, it's a small pullback. It's a small pullback. Euro USD double top on a 4 hour. Yeah, I see that, but I also need a lower low situation. And if that happens, I don't know if that's gonna go but boom, or if it's gonna go slowly lower. Michael, how are you? Good evening. Where are you? On Mars? Come on, it's just 2 p.m. for you. It's afternoon. Afternoon tea. Pound dollar, another one that, so Euro USD is question mark. I don't have any sells or buys here at the moment. I just want this to be sell off here. That's all great. I just need confirmation that it's gonna sell. Can I sell right now in the middle of the range? I will be subjected to all the possibilities in the market. It can go higher, it can go lower, it can break above here and then go down again. I don't want to be that dude that loses money because I couldn't wait, so I will wait. Okay. Mars and beyond to the moon. All right, pound dollar. There is your buy entry for today. There is your buy entry for yesterday. Daily setups. Put that one in the right category. And there is a buy there. Can it make higher high today? I don't know if it's going to make a higher high today. That is what we want to see. And if we don't see that, I would be very disappointed. Randall, well, much welcome. Happy to have you here. We're going to the moon. Well, we still have going to very far. So what is pricing in on pound right now? What is making pound going higher? What is making me so energetic about it? It is the rate hike coming in probably 2 weeks' time. 4th of November is this date, so it's 2 weeks from now. It's the BOE central banking meeting, so I believe that is what we're pricing right now. So yeah, this is why am I so bad language today? I'm about to swear again. I don't want. Okay, somebody needs to wash my mouth. I'm gonna wash my mouth with water, okay? I'm coming back in like 2.5 seconds, so you guys can have a new brain. And because I'm all fun today, I'm all fun and games today. Now, Farid asks, we're talking about a $30 mentorship. No, that is not mentorship. What I was talking about yesterday was $30. I was talking about daily setups, which is it's a Zoom meeting at around 11 p.m. every single day, Monday to Thursday, and that is the wrong, by the way. Monday to Thursday at 21 GMT plus 2. I will give you a Zoom link. And we're going through the entries that I will take and then the considerations I have for the market, fundamentally, technically, the worries that I have. And the video is being posted at 22, sometimes 22:30, depending when the meeting is over. And yeah, and we have full access to the recordings for the month, sorry. And it's only $30. And this week, how did this week go, Harold? I don't know, you're in there. Is there anyone else in this group that is in that? I can't see anyone that I can see, but generally speaking, yes, we have had a jackpot this week. It's been very fruitful this week. A trade that we took was this one here, and we took it up to the monthly, monthly and weekly target, and we hit that yesterday, I think it was. So that was a good, I think it's 90 pips or something. So that should pay for your subscription there, 97 pips straight off the bat there. So that should pay for that service, and it's a low price, I would say. So it's 4 times a week for 4 weeks for $30. If you want to join, it's totally up to you. And there's a Q&A afterwards, and I answer any questions whatsoever. So is it signal service? No, but it's an idea making, and then it's up to you to figure out what you want to do. Dave says, damn, do I messed it up? I don't know what you mean, bro. What do you mean, mate? Profiting in Euro Pound and USD CAD. Okay, so we can look into those as well. So we were looking to buy Aussie dollar this week. That went straight off there. Went very well. We looked to buy Euro dollar. That went also very well. We went to buy pound dollar. That went also very well. We looked to buy pound yen. That went also very ish. A bit of a range there. We looked to buy New Zealand dollar, never happened because it never came to price. Looked to sell USD CAD every single of those days, I would say. So if you look at that one, see what you should have been getting there. Where is it? There it is. So 18th was the first one. There it is. That went straight off. Sorry. There's the next one. Went into profit. And then today is struggling to fall. So I don't know if you're still in profit or break even on that one. But those are at least the results you were supposed to have. So if you bought these pairs instead or do the opposite, that is not my responsibility. Closed buys on gold. We can look at that. I don't know what the prices you bought at Mr. Deadly Chaser. But yeah, so Harold is in that group and he profited from Euro Pound sell, I would guess. Let's look into that one too, just for the 2 seconds of it. Here we go. That is your sell here, and even sell here today. Sure, fun. Damn. Yeah, anything and everything is great. Boss, I didn't got the notification that you got live. Did you talk about Crazy Gold? No, I haven't talked about Crazy Gold yet. So, you guys need to make sure that you are live and subscribed. And it is 3 p.m. my time, though, that I go live every single weekday, give or take. So that is 25 minutes ago. Then you go into your calendar for tomorrow, and you do this, and then you add, like, Eivindfx. Going live, and then you add this one to 1500, that is my Kenyan time, or 1400 at what do you call it? Oh, you can't see me. It's actually behind my face. Sorry, I forgot that. If you remember my face, there we are. So you go to your calendar, you go tomorrow, and then you add Eivindfx live, and you put it at, depending on your time frame, but 26 minutes ago, and you put that one from 15 to 1600 Kenyan time at least. Click save, and there you have I'm live tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. my time, or 8 a.m. New York time, or 2 p.m. Berlin, Paris, Oslo time. So there you go. That's how difficult that was. Who's subscribed right now? John for life? Fantastic, bro. Fantastic. Welcome to the gang. To the family. Boom. That is the right decision to do. Yeah, I'm sorry, mate, if YouTube doesn't do its shit. I think it's actually because you sometimes, if you ignore notifications for a long time, they stop sending it to you again. Adu says, Eivind, damn, it's been a bro. I missed this. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here, bro. I'm here. I've been on Twitter, Nick, bro. It's been a fantastic journey on Twitter, Nick. So if you were there, I published it everywhere. I thought on YouTube, Discord channel, even at everyone. So you should guys be really should be up to date there, mate. Anyways, hope I'm not screaming into the microphone though. But anyways, gold. Where is Alalai? Alalai says I think he wanted to buy above 1780. I think it was. I think he wanted to buy 1780. If Alalai is here, can you please tell me what you said? I'm just gonna go through very fast, but I can't see it. But yeah, I'm blind. Did you buy this? Did you buy it right now, Alalai? Hope he's here though. TP is 1793. I got 2 deals. He already bought it at 145. And then looking for making correction, and then close some sales in profit. Oh yeah. So sure. I think he said 1782 is his price, but there we go. Now 1782, maybe I'll buy again. That is kind of from the community there. So I know he's here somewhere, so I just want him to add his opinion there. But if it's not here, I will do Aussie Yen. Dabizu, the goat. I will do so. Do not worry. Do not worry. I will do so. You have one man, one opportunity, one currency pair. No, I know. Okay, let me go through my analysis then. You have gold, one opportunity, one buy, one sell. I call this a range, so I'm like, I don't know what's going on here. You can buy, you can sell, you can do whatever you want. I'm not going to tell you to do whatever, but what I'm going to say is I want this to break either 1787 or break lower than 1765 before I'm even going to bother doing anything. Until then, that is your resistance, that is your sells, there's your buys, and until then, adios amigos, see you later alligator. I don't know. It is up and down, up and down, up and down, and it can probably break out and then come back into the break. The possibilities, what I'm saying right now for gold is difficult to trade because there's no clear trend. It doesn't give me any trade subs whatsoever for the buy side or sell side. So I would love to say, let's go to the moon. Let's make some money. Let's make some entries. But the market doesn't give me that. Hello, William. Hello, William. Hope you're doing well today. Are we still buying pound dollar, sir? I am still in that buy. Yes, Gabby. I am. Gabby says he's late. Well, you don't need to say that you're late because you're still here. You're late when the live is over. I'm still here. I'm still able to answer questions. All right? Good boy. For showing up at time. But if you're here not watching this in not real time, but in past times, after this live is over, please give it a comment below and add your questions so I can put them up in the next live, because I do read the comment section like a hawk. And for those of you who has been commenting lately on my video, I can't remember the name specifically, but there's 2. I think I answered those questions within 10 minutes. I think that's pretty good answering time. So, Aussie Yen. What are you gonna do here, Mr. What was who asked for Aussie Yen? That is the GOAT. The GOAT. What do you want to do? Do you want to buy? Do you want to sell? This is definitely a low on the 1 hour time frame. We're also coming down to the 55 EMA, which signs reversal. But that's also happened before. So that doesn't matter that much. On the 4 hour, we are coming down to the aggressive 4 hour buy. Is that my strategy? Doesn't come from me. It comes from Wayne. Comes from Forex.today. So that's why I haven't made a video on it, because I didn't make it. But sure, have fun with that. The other one is that if we break the current low that we have created today, and we go down to 83, 84.50, give or take, that is a lower in my case. And then I will start looking for buys. Can these do that? Sure. But are you scared of buying here? What are you afraid of? Okay. What are you afraid of? Why are you afraid? Calvin! How are you, mate? How are ya? Where's the stop loss on pound dollar? I will do that in a couple of seconds. Mine is currently break even. And your stop loss should be higher. Not, well, 37.40-ish. Minimally, at least. Not lower than 37.40. That's what I would do. But I don't know if it's going to hit the stop loss and go back up again. That's just a pound dollar thing. So, where are we? Aussie dollar. Where's this guy? He asked about Aussie yen. The GOAT. Are you going to answer me? Are you going to buy it or sell it? I need a bias. I need a plan. I need an expert to come here and tell me what the expertise, so I can give you expert analysis back. This is a bullish trend. If you're wondering, this is a perfect place to add buys. If you're wondering, yes, it does. Is it too elevated? Absolutely to the moon. Other than that, it depends on your bias. If you want to sell this thing, and we have been discussing that in my Discord channel today, which is for free in the pinned comment there. Nothing is going to sell you anything. Don't worry. I'm not going to make you pay anything. Don't worry. I'm a good guy. And the other thing here is, can it fall? Yes, it can fall. But it can fall at all the times. Any times of these times it went higher, it can fall. Why should it fall now? Not really any good decision, other than if it does, then. So you need reasons to sell Aussie yen, alright? What is the reason? I need some kind of top. I need some kind of a low. It kind of lower high situation. Kind of down to this level here before falling. And then if it starts falling, I kid you not, if my theory comes right, it is going to be a hefty fall. But yeah. Maxi, hello. You're buying. Okay, good. Good level. Have fun with that. Stop loss is probably too far away at 84.40, but just reduce your lot size. So we have had tons of fun in the Discord channel today. I'm talking about different things as well today. But so there is a race in Norway, 42 kilometers in the forest. I was thinking, maybe we should take this race. Maybe we should go there next year. And yes, I was just having fun with Harold. He hasn't agreed to going with me, but it was just I've just laughed my pants off this morning, making that joke. Of course, it's just jokes. And it is actually in 10 days. It's 27 kilometers in the forest, mostly in this terrain here with mud. And if this guy is going, you can also be going too. So we're going to do this next year, and we just need to start running people on asphalt, and then that is going to be one of a kind. What's the temperature around October 31st? Tja, between 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. 5 to 10 degrees. That is why people are heavily clothed there. What is the next pair we're going through? Aussie, New Zealand? Tja, what do you want to do on Aussie, New Zealand SlyFX? Not that it excites me anything here. Tja, it's a bearish range. It's a bearish range. Maybe it will make a higher high. Maybe not. Can you buy this one? No, not really, no. We're just waiting for this one to go higher. And if does so, if New Zealand starts falling, that is probably when this one starts rising as well. That also means that you can start buying Euro New Zealand too, which is a more friendly friend of mine. He has not reversed yet, but that can happen if New Zealand starts to fall. So there is a play that you can do on New Zealand is Euro New Zealand. That is New Zealand dollar, New Zealand yen, and probably also Aussie New Zealand, but that is the last one I would even imagine touching. So that means buying, selling, buying those assets if New Zealand starts to tank. That is only if that starts to tank. But they are supposed to increase interest rates, so it's a bit out in the blue at the moment, I would say. Out in the blue at the moment. Alright, so no more new trading pairs available, so we are going into Euro. Euro is still in this range that I really want to see being broken either to the upside or to the lower side. But it seems like yet again the New York Open is gonna take it higher. If you sold this one, you are way too early. Reduce your speed in the market and yeah, should you be buying this S&P 500? Tja, looks great, doesn't it? It looks supportish. But I still want it to come down to 44, 30, 20 area as a plan B, and then this is a day trade. But do remember when the stock market goes higher, it also has a tendency to have it goes slow, and then boom. So just remember that can also happen. So don't have too much risk here, but do remember that all over for the next 10 years, S&P 500 is supposed to go higher unless we go into the deep recession that I don't expect to come. So we still have unemployment, we still have inflation, we still have job creation. Businesses are still making money, and earnings reports, instead of being 20%, is 30%. It is absolutely to the moon. So are we expecting from October, which I've been talking about for quite a while now, that this is supposed to be the bottom? Now we're going higher. Are you ready? Did you buy here? And then what is it right now? It is, let's see. It is 4% in profit already there. All right. Don't wait for market to crash. And if you're not buying in the bullish market, that is when you're actually going to miss out. Is it difficult to find pullbacks? Absolutely difficult to find pullbacks. How are you going to do that? I know, maybe monthly first. Er det mulig da? Monthly trade first, weekly trade thereafter, and then day trades if you can get some itty bitty teeny weeny trades in for the trades of daily support. Big Dog says, morning, your analysis is growing on me. Okay. So, Mr. Big Dog, have my analysis been right this week? Have my buys been right this week? And I've been blessed. Yes, that was right this week. And I'm going to take the credit for it because I did plan for it and it did happen. And the times I didn't plan for it and it went against me, I'm going to be silent as a mouth. And I'm going to be crying at the back door, but that's all that's going to happen. You're Aussie. Why are we looking at some weird pairs today, people? Where's the mainstream, people? Any pound yen, people? Any USD CAD, people? Any USD yen, people? Euro Aussie is not really my favorite pair. The reason why, well, there's a sell there. Bearish daily, 1 hour. Sure, have fun with that one, I guess. Sell probably. So we're coming into Thursday today. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Are we going to see deep, fast pullbacks today or tomorrow? This is the pullback days of the week. Do I expect that? I hope that it can do some damage to some accounts, because that's going to give us some money in the account. And I just watched yesterday off camera the daily sentiment of retail traders and where they are positioned, and it becomes hilarious now. Okay, so they are, I don't know who is telling them to do this absolutely terrible trading advice, but somebody please send them to us so we can make them see the light. I have the light right now. There's sunny outside, so we are shining in the light this week at least. But no, Aussie yen is still not bearish, but 77% of retail traders on IG have shorted it. Can somebody shut down those YouTube channels that is telling them to sell in an opposite trend, sell in the opposite trend, sell in the opposite trend, buy in the opposite trend? There is no reason to sell Aussie yen as of today, as of right now, other than hope, air, and yeah, that is kind of everything that is going. That is kind of the only thing that is true out there. It is hope, and there we go. Where is that one? Alert box, maybe. I can move that one a bit down, and then up in the corner. There we go. So there we go. Okay. We have been so right. Why are you going against the guru? But anyways, I'm not going to make myself look nice and pretty. We also have skeletons in the closet of bad tradings or going against trading advice that should have been, against the trend. So that's all good. USD Swissy, says Nathan. We can do to USD Swissy. If DXY breaks below the central monthly pivots at 93.56 today or tomorrow, what is the realistic target before the month end, seeing that we are already 21st of October M2S1? The realistic target on USD dollar index, if we then fall down, bearish target, I will go monthly first. The realistic target lower is weekly, I would say. Monthly is way too far. Weekly is pretty closer, I guess. And that was the target. So I would say we're still holding 93.88, and I would say maybe the next previous low, swing low, is 9300. And next one is 92.42. But I find that very, very odd if we are actually going to go bearish on the dollar. It could always happen. But we are currently at central pivot, which is the aggressive buy entry. I can then give you another chart here. So this is the aggressive buy entry. The other entry that you're looking for, the first entry is this is a buy, this is a buy. Okay, those are very valid buys, and the second one is here. Okay, so when you're planning out your trades here, you're like, I want to buy here, and I want to buy here, and I would maybe look to buy here. So you have your plan A maybe in motion already. Okay, this is your plan. Or if you don't have this as a plan, that is what you should plan. The next one is going down to 93, is also a very valuable trade plan. The other thing is we are 21st of October. We are very late in the month to start kicking off these monthly pivots. We should have done it like here before the 10th. So, sure. Maybe it could go higher from here. But I'm just wondering. For those who is mocking me and saying, oh, pound dollar is not a good buy today, is still in profit. Boom. On the weekly daily setup that was mentioned there. Other than that, dollar, making a red candle right now doesn't need to mean anything whatsoever other than it's a red candle. So what is it right now? Still bearish, still bearish, still bearish, still bearish. So if you are bullish, just wait for it. It will go around. It will. Because if dollar and the Fed does increase interest rates, that is going to send the dollar up. Okay. Looking for sells at 17.87 on gold, sell daily cheater. I would agree on that one. That's a pretty good one. If it breaks higher, then we climb to 17.93. Okay, cool. Good. Hello, Ze. Happy to have you here. Very much congratulations on your, I think I'm allowed to say that, on your job. I think that's a career change, and I think it's fantastic. All my current trades are against the retail sentiment, not purposefully. And now I understand why people say the trend is your friend. It's because a bunch of traders are calling the tops and bottoms, and they trade it. It's not necessarily only that they are like, well, look at us, we are going to take the bottom. The RSI is oversold. Let's find the RSI, by the way. That's always fun. I hate RSI. So RSI on the, okay. So 80-20-ish. So if you go to euro dollar, 1 hour. So that means that you should sell, I don't know how this, I guess that is a sell here. That is in this area. Yeah, it goes, I guess. This is your buy. No, actually buy is actually up here. Okay. I can't remember what the rules was. What's the rules? Is it when it diverges back up to 30% or whatever it is? Yeah, so this is also ish reversal area here, but it went lower. And then I can go to 4 hour time frame if that makes it better sense for anyone or whatsoever. This one here is a buy. Yeah, I'll give you something small. And then this one's a sell. But remember, in an uptrend, you have sells here. You have sells here, here, and here. And that is all in a bullish market going higher. And I guess you need some bullish divergence or some MACD and some candlesticks in there to also sell it. But generally speaking, that is a bullish market, and the market, that's at least what RSI says, as I remember it to be 8 years ago. When it goes above the 70 or 80, whatever you call it, that's supposed to be a sell, and you're supposed to look for reversal, and that's kind of how you are ending up in those sells. Also here, very early in the trend, making bearish divergence is oversold, sorry, or whatever you guys call it over there, and bada bing, bada boom. Went, I don't know how much else did it go up? 400 pips? Yeah, way too much. So I stopped using that. Stopped. Thank you very much, Eivind. Thank you very much, Harold. And if you're wondering where this is coming from, this is my merch, and I love it, by the way. And it says, well, that's not the one. Here it says, let me take it off. It says winner on the side. And then my logo. Okay, maybe. Can you guys see the logo? Did you guys see the logo? I don't know. Silver, please. We will do silver. Yes, we'll do silver. Yeah. I'm just having a blanket here. I'm cold. So, can you please check Doe, please? And what would you recommend for a profitable trade today? Okay, we can always look at that. I have already mentioned pound dollar to be a good trade to take. Dow Jones, US 30, I think it is, give or take. Daily bullish. There we go. RSI, get over it. And if you are an RSI lover, sorry, mate. If you're thinking of buying those, now sounds like a good deal. And then on the weekly, you would also have a pending order at 34.90 for 34.900 would also be a nice buy. And on the monthly, if you had that too, I know there's a buy somewhere. Around 34.334, give or take. But you're a target actually, so okay, I would actually be cautious, but somewhere around here at least. So, but I would generally speaking have my most of my money being put in at beginning of the month. And I'm expecting this one to be the bottom of the year. No, bottom until April. So, there you go. Pound dollar I was talking about. There we go. 13800 give or take, but that's already gone, and it's been there for a couple of 4 hours now, so we have plenty of time to take it. How do you know to take it for tomorrow? You add these pivot points called Wayne's pivots. It's all free. In this video, where is it? In this video here. In this video here, in the comment section here, that is access. That is where I have put my, I put the link to the day trading, no, to MT4, to TradingView. This is how you download it. This is my preset. This is the color of my targets. And then this is the video of how to apply to your charts. And then this is the strategy of how, this is the video on how to use these pivot points. Is it the holy grail? Probably not, but it reduces the stress by 1,000,000. But yeah, that's me. That is how I would do it, at least. And I will probably just add them there-ish, something like that. And then something like that, so we can just have them accessible, easy accessible. Silver, oh, I'm so off the charts. How are we now? Silver. Oh, that's a nice day trade there. I don't know if I called that out yesterday. Please tell me, correct me if I'm wrong. I always want to be right, but I don't remember if I said that should be a possible buy. But that's at least a buy for bulls. And if I don't think I said that. So I'm not gonna say that I said that, but at least what I'm gonna say is, sure, that was the buy entry, and now it's going higher. Nat gas yesterday I called out this price, and it was okay for some time, and now it's going a bit lower. And yeah, it hasn't gone to stop loss though, but it's not like fantastic, but yeah, sure. So for Nat gas, so for those who just joined in, I saw there was a surge there. If you're just coming in, please give your currency pairs, your stock pairs, your indices, your commodities that you want me to cover, and I'm here for you. And if you're a new trader, maybe I should change my thumbnail to beginners only, or forex trading for beginners, because I believe that I have something to give to new traders. Maybe I'm above their head, maybe I'm difficult to understand, but my strategy is easier. Oh, sorry, silver. Jeez. Yeah, it's a bullish trend. I think it took profit yesterday, so I think that's why I'm like a bit, maybe not. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so I will wait until Monday before I buy that one. But that's a bullish trend there. And sure, 124, 123.60 seems like good prices to buy on Monday, but or tomorrow, by the way. But let's see, another one on Friday, the low. Yeah, seems to be the low on Friday as well. So I'm hoping that we can see this one also on Monday. So I would at least hold my horses until the central pivot is hit on Monday. Okay, good. Use the yen. Okay, what is going on here, mate? What do you want to say? I just want to make sure that we are making sure that yens doesn't fall away from us. I think there's a red candle right now. Yeah, just make sure that if somebody sees breaks in the yen pairs, please tell me so I don't miss that out. Okay, dollar yen may have topped out. But this week we have not hit the buys. What does that mean? that means there is like a ton of buyers waiting to buy in this area here. They're like, where the wolves are. Rawr. Okay? They have not been engaged. What does that mean? That if a bullish trend is happening, that is a very fragile move. So this is where you conservatively are waiting to buy. You haven't hit that yet, so you're just waiting, dangling your toes in the swimming pool, and you haven't get what you wanted. You're like, nice. Yeah, I need to be more I need to be a bit more on that case. So one thing is happening here. There is a top here, people. Okay, there's a low here. I need a break of 20 through 120, 132.24 before I'm like, aha, this is great. But the other thing is, once we go lower, that also attracts more buyers. Okay. So even though we are falling a bit now, maybe this was to sell. That's a very aggressive sell if you sold that one. It is possible to sell that one. I wouldn't in a million years have done it myself, but sure, somebody did it. And stop loss above here, but I would probably want to see lower low like that tomorrow more than anything else. And are we bearish in gold? Are we bearish-ish now? Yeah, we are now bearish-ish. Turning at least. So it hasn't broken yet, but it's about to break the 55 and the 21, meaning that the current trend is no longer as strong on the 1 hour time frame only, that we are potentially seeing a reversal, potentially, not saying it's going to do it, and that on the 4 hour time frame we are below the aggressive buy, meaning so far, it can go back up again by the way, that we are seeing some pause in the bullish trend that is currently, let me see if I can draw it. That was wrong. I won't going to draw it. That is my spaceship, by the way. That is my spaceship. To the moon! Was bad. Okay, anyways, it's to the moon. Hello, Ally. And what is going on with your gold trading, Ally? I just want to have you in there on that one. Sir, are you not giving resistance levels for silver? We are at resistance levels. And the current weekly trade on silver is over. So you should be out of your buys and you should be waiting for Monday to buy. Okay? Profit levels has been hit. Therefore, yeah, I know that Bala is going to come with that boom. But yeah. So, I think you bought something down here. You were thinking of buying 82, 17. Sorry, I was wrong. You were thinking of buying, was it 72 or was it 82? It wasn't 82, was it? Yeah, so weekly buys you should be out. Maybe monthly buys you're able to do that on silver. But yeah, I would want a deeper pullback. If you don't get a deeper pullback, don't chase it. I would say more than anything else. MSI World Index. Can you explain that for me? I actually don't know what that is. Maybe I do, without knowing it. What is it? Broadly, global equities that represent large and medium cap equity performance across 24. It's like a world index. And it mostly is of the developed market, which is like America and Europe and China. That is not emerging markets. Emerging markets is like Africa, South America, such countries is like emerging markets. industrialized countries more than anything else. So it is taking the 23 most developed countries and making an index of the large and medium cap equities, which is stocks. So it sounds like a good overall index generally about the world. So that sounds like a good deal. Hello, Denise. How are you today? Are you well today? And yeah, so I haven't been asked, neither have anyone sent me in emails to be a part of the Zoom meet, part of the Trader Nick live today. So I'm not there today. Unless somebody is screaming at my face, I am only live here on Eivindfx. So sure, that is where the fun is. Whoop 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 whoop. And I am still searching for Mr. Morrison, but yeah, let's see if he responds to my emails and all those things. I'm just waiting. Can someone hear the music in the background? Sounds amazing. Sounds great. Yeah, I just woke up. Good morning. I hope you are in profit. I hope you are well. Sir. People like sir. I understand the cultural differences here. But it says Eivind. Can somebody call me Eivind? Or not dude or bro. But yeah, I understand. Okay, I am sir today. Sir, please tell me about pound, yen, gold and oil. Says Sheikh U Saif. Where you're from, mister? Sir. I feel like when you say sir to me, I feel like I'm in the military. Sir, yes, sir. I will do so, sir. I'm joking about it because I'm coming from a culture where it is very flat hierarchy, and we call ourselves, when you are in the family, when you're co-workers, you call yourselves by the first name, and the teachers, you call them by the first name and not Mrs. whatever they're called in their last name. Pound yen is currently at support, has not broken 156.80, so we are still, at least for now, bullish. I know there's hounds in this group that is thinking we should sell it. I'm not convinced yet. I've seen this before. This is just tingling, like teasing the market. Yeah, teasing, and then it goes up in the end. So as long as we're still bullish here, that's still a valid buy trade on this level here. So sure. That is that one, so still bullish, still not bearish. You can have a bearish plan that says if it breaks this level here and you're like, aha, I'm gonna look for sells. That is very much allowed, valid trade plan, but you need patience. You're from India, sir. Oh, okay. I am okay. I'm not gonna make fun of your accent, but because I was just about to, I have deep respect for Indians. Do not worry about that. And then we are going to gold. Gold we have done many times. Go back in this video to look at what I said about gold. Gold has done nothing new since I did that analysis. Oil, I believe we are in the end going to go to this price here, that is $100 PB. That is $100 per barrel. That's what I think they're at least minimally. If it takes me 1 year, I don't know. Right now we have stalled at 83.50, and if it falls, I'm gonna take it back up again. And if we get bullish trends again, I will be woohoo! Let's go back up again. Alexander, what is your EMA settings? I will shortly mention that, so nobody sending me anything bad. So what is the news saying? There was a news there. Forex News Fundamentals says on Telegram, they say that JP Morgan says inflation worries are causing Bitcoin to jump. Okay. UBS forecast for Brent oil price, it will reach $90 per barrel from December to March, and it will drop to $85 per barrel for the rest of 2022. I disagree with that one, but there we go. Yeah. So there is still very bullish forecasts for the oil. So what are we doing right now, right today? Right now, right today, this is your buy price. This is your line in the sand. As long as it doesn't go below 79.50, you can look to buy almost every daily opens. And then if you look to daily opens, and right now we are going into the New York Open, that was your buy price here. It can go a bit lower than that, I all know that. And 82.16, 82.65 is kind of your buy prices you're hoping for today. And then hopefully you can get a breakout. And if it doesn't break out, you will wait until Monday and a better price. That's always nice. So, no matter what I do, no matter what I say, it's only educational. It is not financial advice. But I am, generally speaking, on the general note, bullish on the US oil, on the UK oil, which is Brent, and also Norway is a part of. And yeah, and as we speak, oil price went higher. Glued to your analysis ever since I discovered your style. Thanks very much, says Amo Sejin. Thank you very much for giving me such a positive, reflective, and good feedback. I'm gonna give that back into the Discord channel so everyone can see that. Yeah. So what was my EMAs? That is 5, 8, 21. Sorry, 55, and then additionally maybe 100 if you feel like it. So the most important ones are 21 and 55, and then 100 is kind of like general trend more than anything else. Samson says, do you think it will be safe to sell gold when the 4-hour candle closes below 71.81? No. I wouldn't do that in a million years. Why? Because we are range bound. This is no trending market. I will not put any money here. This is nicht gut. Niet. And this is probably not. No, this is not good. Not good. Niet nada. Bueno. No, that's not Spanish. No. I don't know what the Spanish one is for. Very much welcome, Alexander. The JPY pairs looks ugly this morning. The fear is there, lady. Let me go through the yen pairs one more time. Where is the stop loss that you should have at least? Well, if we make a lower low today, if we make a lower low today and we are like, we're not going to reach this top anymore, yeah, maybe tomorrow you can look for sells, but that's still a very high 82 pips difference. So at least trend wise, this is the low. Oops. This is the low. That is This is the low, bearish low that I have. We need to break before becoming bearish. Can you sell it? Ciao. I wouldn't sell it yet. Can you say that this is turning bearish now? If you're looking into previous bearish reversals, this is kind of what I want to see. Not like V-shape, but more like something like that. So if we're going back up to the top, that is still an 82 pip pullback before we fall again. That is Aussie yen. CAD yen, still not broken lower. That is, this is a better reversal though. Double top ish maybe, and then lower low, and then maybe. Euro yen is double top, lower low, lower high situation. Tja, that has gone up in previous examples, so I'm not being too fussy about that one. Maybe if we get a breaker low of 132.80 and then a pullback, 132.30, sorry, and then a pullback, I will be happier. But until then, I'm all waiting. New Zealand yen, another one that is just somewhere in between. I guess that is the local low. It breached below. It's not really a good sell setup yet. 80.50 is still a good, the actual sell bearish price place. So sure. Remember, we are at 21st of October. This can be the high, but that doesn't mean that you should sell anything that is moving, because this can also just be another time where the market just says, hey, let us look for some more buyers before going higher. Sean says, can we take a buy in pound dollar? Didn't you do that this morning? All right, now it looks a bit scarier. I have mine at break evens. So, ciao, sure. If you want to, that's always nice, but yeah. A lot of people has joined my Discord channel. Very much welcome every single one of you. I hope I will give you some nice, what do you call it? Nice experience in there. It's not a signal service though, but it's always nice to be there. And if you go to the off topic, that is the funniest thing that's ever happened this morning. If you have humor, I laughed my pants off this morning. So anyways. Anyone see a hairy thumb drawn? What does that mean? Hello, Eivindfx. How are you today? Happy Thursday. Happy 31st of October. You're still alive. Happy to have you here. Very much welcome today. Selva says, thank you, bro. I don't know if I said, but I appreciate the thanks. I don't know what I did, but you're very much welcome. Yes. And if those who doesn't want to know, if you're wondering what am I talking about in the off topic, I'm talking about this one. If I gave you any value today, please get that like button. I don't want to talk about that like button anymore. I'm just gonna be, if you feel like I was so kind to you, I was so nice to you, and I gave you something to think about, I gave you something to laugh about, I gave you some knowledge, I gave you analysis that was like, mwah, then we are good. Then we are good people, right? Then we are good. Then we are happy people, both of us, right? Tack så mycket. Jättebra. Could you take a look at your USD again, says Khalel Ghazal, I think it is. I think that's a correct spelling and appreciation of that If you are new to my channel, I was live for 3 days on TraderNick, and TraderNick just proposed to his lady. There we are. Let's see where you can find the actual proposal. There it is. There it is. There we are. Good there, mate. She was surprised. And I had a nice comment there. Why am I crying? I'm not the only one. We're giving myself a like there. But yeah, I was a very emotional morning. So that's how I had it this morning. I didn't receive a live notification. Have you turned on the bell? But other than that, I showed earlier in this live how to add that to your calendar, that you put a calendar notification so that your calendar tells you that you're going to go to see my live. And YouTube is interestingly not telling everything all the time that I'm going live, so that happens to everyone. It depends if you are actually clicking on the notifications that the YouTube sends you. somebody was talking behind me, and I was like, is there a ghost here somewhere? But yeah. I've been spooked before, and yes, I don't hear anything because I have noise cancelling on my ears. So, yeah, good there one. Good there one. Okay, is there anyone else? Is there anything else we should then cover other than happy days, happy life, happy wife? Do you use some indicators like MACD, RSI to search for divergence, sir? Absolutely not, Alexander. I have 8 years of not 8 years of experience. I have 1 year of experience of losing using RSI. So sure, have fun with RSI and MACD, but I have only lost. So I can't prove that RSI trading is profitable. That is why I cannot say anything positively about it, because I cannot prove to you with my trading journal, trading strategy, I can't prove to anyone at all that that is a profitable strategy. So I'm sorry. So, ciao. Yeah, I think that is more than enough. But sure, you can try. Come and prove to me that it's profitable trading, and I will be happy. Randall says, I like your trading style, and I know I will learn a lot from you. Very, very much welcome, Randall. And I'm not going to say if you're a guy or a girl. I'm the guy, boy, man or woman, because I know that can be both. So I guess I'll just leave that up to you to tell me, and then I can call you. Your right pronounce. Because nowadays it is so fun to see on TikTok, for example, people have pronouns in their bio, and I'm like, dude, where are you from? We're like, what kind of world are we living in? Is it he, she, her? Maybe not. I'm not having fun of those. I'm just okay. I understand that someone feels the need for that. Okay, cool. You do you. I will do me. We all live in a perfectly nice world. We all respect each other. And by the way, there's no politics in my channel. There is no hate speech in my channel. There is no discrimination in my channel. And I avoid those topics by the pest, because the market doesn't care if you're a woman, if you're a man, if you're young, if you're old, if you're poor, if you're wealthy. The only thing it matters is knowledge, patience, resilience, and your ability to learn from your mistakes, and your ability to understand that right now, today, you're wrong or you're right. And it doesn't care about your future. It doesn't care about your past. You can be the poorest person in this world. You can be the richest person in the world, and you can lose all your money, and you can gain all the money in the world. Okay? Good. Yeah, that is I'm sorry. Man. Sorry, man. Oh, man, I'm sorry. It's a brutal truth. Go, Brandon. Yeah, we also have those in Norway as well. There is a name in Norway that it can be both man and woman. It is Bjørgulf. That can be man or woman. There is also one guy called Benny. My mother's aunt is called Benny. It's a woman, by the way. And no, it is not a transgender person in the LGBTQ plus pro community. I don't know. I don't think so, at least. Not that I remember. So Benny is a woman, as far as I know. I don't think it's my mother's side. But yeah, that can be a man. And in Sweden, that's a guy. Benny is in ABBA. So yeah, go figure. Anyways, Forex market has no personal bias. Is absolutely true. Ulf is a guy. Do dollar index yet again. We can do dollar index yet again. So let's go through it by daily. What is it right now? It is bullish on daily. Bullish here. Buy. On the 4 hour, we are bearish. We have not We have higher, lower high, lower high, lower high, temporarily at least. So this is currently looking downwards. If you're looking at the EMAs, that is currently looking bearish here. That is bearish here. And we haven't turned higher yet. That is 4 hour. And then 1 hour, we are very, 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 very bearish. Now, technically, if we price above 93.87, that is when we are going to go higher. That is when we are broken the bearish trend. So I know that Nick was in Iceland. He was in my ancestors' place. And if you Google my name, Eivind, oops, that was wrong. If you Google my name, Eivind, you will find that my first part of my name, is it warrior? I think it's warrior. And the other one means winner. So maybe it does do meaning, maybe. So yeah, that is Norse, and also how they do a gift. Can it be? And it can also be winner or warrior. Warrior. That is why somebody called me the Viking Pipmaster, and that is also why I have a beard, because we are Vikings. For those who have seen Vikings out there, you know what I'm talking about. If it was, yeah, Benny is a nickname for Bernadette. I didn't know that. JT2000 says, I met a man called Gay, which is also a woman's name. Guy, sorry. Gay guy. Yeah. Guy. If I was a she, I would be Ylva. She-wolf. That is so funny. Go Vikings! Alright, so I have absolutely nothing else to talk about. And my tummy is basically empty. So if you like this live stream, if you had any fun, any analysis that gave you value, please give it a like. Please give it a subscribe. Tell it to your friends that is also losing money. I'm here for the losing trades. I'm here for the beginner trades. I'm here to turn you around to become a professional trader, expert in the end of it. How do we do that? We only follow the experts. We only go with the best trading opportunities, and we leave the mediocre, midterm, bad trades out, so we only leave the good ones in. We try at least. Do we lose? Yes, we have plenty of lost trades. That doesn't mean that we are not profitable, because we get 200 to 300 pips per trade when we are correct. And that was a rarely rolling tummy. I need to go eat before I pass out. Look out for the yen pairs. I've given you the pairs plays. If there is development, go and check it out in the Discord channel. I will update if there is any thing that you're worried about. Please go there. And if not, I will put up a weekly forecast on Saturday around 4 p.m. Bada bing, bada boom, boom. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. And see you in the new year.